जब जब भी इस फिल्म का जिक्र हो रहा है, सीबीएफसी का जिक्र होता है, पहलाज निहलानी का जिक्र होता है, तो अभी एक मोमेंट बन चुका है और एक पोस्टर भी ऐसा आया जिससे सभी बेहद खुश हैं भारत में बहुत ज़्यादा। आप क्या कहना चाहेंगी और सीबीएफसी के रुख के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगी आप?
मेरा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है सीबीएफसी से। मेरा प्रॉब्लम पूरे समाज से है, जो एक पॉइंट पे आके इसी बात को अपनी तरीके से कहता है। तो सीबीएफसी इज़ एक्चुअली अ मिररिंग सोसाइटी। बहुत छोटा हम इशू कर देंगे अगर हम सीबीएफसी के बारे में बना देंगे इस पिक्चर को। ये बहुत बड़ा इशू है। आप नॉर्मली अगर किसी लड़की से बात करेंगे तो आप उससे 5 इंसिडेंसेस ऐसे पता कर लेंगे जो उसके साथ दिन में हुए हैं। एक साल में तो 5-10 तो निकलेंगे ही, जहाँ उसको अपने औरत होने पर she has had to prove herself a little harder. Maybe in a male-dominated workplace, at times with a certain amount of having to be come across as a smarter woman if she is good looking. There are so many, she's learned combat from a very young age. और आप ये जो उंगली है ना, ये लिपस्टिक जो है, ये उस समाज पर है जो हमें बाहर आने नहीं दे रहा, हमें अपनी आवाज़ को दबाने की पे मजबूर कर रहा है। तो इट्स नॉट अबाउट सीबीएफसी, इट्स अबाउट एवरी, एंड इट्स अबाउट एन आइडियोलॉजी, इट्स नॉट अबाउट मेन अगेन। प्लीज, आई एम गोइंग टू डू अ कैंपेन कॉल्ड लिपस्टिक फॉर मेन, because no, it is, because there are lots of men who've made us the women we are, like my father, and there are lots of women who insist that there's a son born and put their daughter-in-laws through various children and abortions. So it's not about women and men, it's about ideology. So
yeah, it's about patriarchy.
Yeah, it's about patriarchy.
Patriarchy. And it is something that, like Ahana said, women are battling all over the world. You know, I grew up at a time when my mom and people of her generation had fought to be where they were. I stand on their shoulders. I got my education. I got the kind of freedom and life that they were not able to have. And the sad thing is, I can't pass it on to my daughter. How sad is that? In one generation, we have given up all these advantages and we are moving backward rapidly. So it's patriarchy. It's an incomplete project, this project of dealing with patriarchy. And we all have to accept that we have a role to play, men and women. Very important to understand that it's not a single gender issue.
What I want to ask is, why didn't you just go ahead and just put it up on your platform of Alt Balaji and just give Pehlaज Nilani the lipstick? In that sense, you know, that you could bypass.
Because it's not about Pehlaज Nilani, sir. I mean, why are we constantly coming back to this question? I am not, it's like, this is not, you are trivializing my battle, my friend. Our battle, your battle. This is so much more. This is about you going back to your own home. It's not about taking on the CBFC. I, in fact, want to say this. I have no problem with Pehlaji. I respect him. He has a point of view, and I may or may not agree, but that's not the conversation here. At this present moment, we're discussing a society and ideology, and she, like ma'am said, patriarchy. It's got nothing to do with that at all.
Institution of
yes. Alankrita?